Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie Swiss, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, in a ways, I picked the Aussie Swiss from the My FX book sentiment page because this right now does seem to be a pretty popular pair. It's very, very, very weighted to the upside. Everybody is definitely trying to go long, which is actually often a good clue that you should continue to look for shorts. But in a ways, on the monthly time frame, it does look like a complete five waves, and the potential wave five also has five waves. So I don't really blame people for trying to go long because it does look like it should go up and break the high of wave four. Anyways, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, ooh, we got two fibs here. Let me get rid of that. So on the weekly time frame, we have a almost perfect five waves down right here, but we do not have a break of structure, so we can't say for sure that the trend has turned up. That's why I had this little trend down mark right here, because this could be an ABC correction to the downtrend. It actually very, very easily could be like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 5. So like a subdivision, a trend within a trend. So a trend for the potential wave 5. Heading down to the daily time frame. Now this is again supposedly breaking the rules of Elliot wave, because if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes down for a 5, then this wave 4 is coming into the territory of wave 1, which, like I always say in my years of experience with Elliott wave, the market really doesn't care about Elliott wave rules in my opinion. The market definitely makes repeatable Elliott wave patterns over and over and over, but as far as the Elliott wave rules are concerned, it really doesn't care. Now, I also have this labeled as a potential ABC because, I mean, it could possibly do something like this and then just keep on trending up. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the trend is definitely down right now because we definitely have a break of structure to the downside right there. And it definitely does have five waves up for potential wave A. It has three waves down for potential wave B, and it has almost a perfect five waves up for potential wave C. So it does look to me like a possible ABC correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down, possible 1. To me, this looks like a possible ABC correction for the 2, and I still think there's a good chance it's going to go down to make a 3, a 4, and a 5, ending up looking something like this. So let's take that down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, like I said, pretty much everybody is long right now. If you look at the MyFX book trading sentiment, pretty much everybody is trying to go long right now, and it is going up. So hopefully people are making some money. But I personally think there's a good chance this is a wave one, which is why I had my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here, like this. So I think there's a pretty good chance this is a wave one. I think there's a good chance this is a wave two. It kind of looks like it's making some sort of a WXY or maybe even some sort of a flat because it's 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down. Maybe now it's making 5 up. So 3 up, 3 down, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up is a very recognizable Elliott wave pattern. Maybe go up to one of these fib levels, and then that would be hopefully the end of a wave two and the beginning of a wave three, which should be a really, really profitable trade if you're able to get short at one of these Fibonacci bounces, and it really does go down for that big wave three. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.